Hi, it's Romeo Caporaso from Accounting Adelaide. I'm going to go through a really cool way to set some goals for your new year. Obviously coming up towards the end of the year, and a really great strategy on how to actually implement this into your year so that you actually start achieving your dreams for 2017. Okay, so maybe to start with, before you get into actually setting some goals for 2017, I suggest you have a look at your 2016 year. A good way I found to do this was to just have a look through a lot of the photos on your phone and your diary for the year. Look at some of the events you've done, some of the holidays, some of the work things you've done, and list some of the greatness of your year. Perhaps think of some of the difficulties you've passed through, and hopefully that's ended and gone well for you. Just be proud of your year. Hopefully it's been a good one. I know I've had a great year, so I'm excited about last year and also planning a better one this year in 2017. So let's start planning an effective 2017. So look, let's just start with obviously some of the, and you don't have to have the same categories, or obviously you have to have your own words, but obviously what you want to maybe be is happy in 2017, and basically some really broad categories to maybe start with. Just to give you an example, might be love, wealth and health. If you got all three of those, you're going to be pretty happy. Now underneath these big goals, maybe set sub-goals, and I'll show you some examples of some sub-goals underneath, for instance the love and business and wealth and happiness ones. Then once you've set your sub-goals, so you've identified different things you want to do, such as a new car, a new house, or better friendships, then set some strategies and tactics to achieve each one of your sub-goals. Then I suggest you rewrite your total plan for the year until you've got it clear and summarised. So, you might sound like you want the whole world initially, but then when you actually go to do this, you do run out of things you actually really, really want. And don't put on anything that you don't really want. It's take out anything that's not really important to you. Only just keep the stuff that's important to you. And it should fit on 1 or 2 pages. So once you're excited about having, your sort of summary of what you want to achieve in your life or in 2017 on 1 or 2 pages, the next really, really important step is to start implementing a weekly to-do list. I found that a weekly to-do list is really, really effective. It makes it easy to tick off things. When you start getting into some of your sub-goals and carrying out the strategies, there may be something that needs to be done in the next week. So you take 1 step per week, for instance, on some of your sub-goals, and you can carry forward what needs to be done next week. So you write on your weekly to-do list for next week, as well as ticking off this week. So you're creating what you need to do next week as well as doing this week. Having a plan obviously makes you more productive, so you can go into work or at home and just tick off things, and having a list makes you get there faster. And obviously being so effective makes you do it even more, so it's easy to implement and sustain doing a weekly to-do list. With your weekly to-do list, it's really important to balance it. So you need to not just do more of the same of what you've been doing, or not to continue to do a lot of what you're already really good at in your life. So you need to identify some of the areas in your life you want to basically spend more time on. They may be loved ones, they may be creating more wealth, and you need to be effective and successful in that area of your life. You need to devote some time and some tasks in your weekly to-do list to get there. Doesn't that make sense? Yeah. So also keep your weekly goals realistic. So don't set out to do the whole year's work in 1 week. You'll know what's realistic and set about what you'll be content with. And at the end of the week, when you've done most, or if not all, of your weekly to-do list, it's a fantastic feeling. It makes you really happy. And as I said, it's exciting to have a sense of purpose to your dreams. So you've set your dreams, but you need to have a little step-by-step plan, and that may be a weekly way to get there. So, and additionally, all things are important to you to do in your weekly tasks. So whether they're house things, fixing something, fixing a tap at home, it can be just as important as, doing some other things which you may think are more important. But in terms of the process of this, you need to do all your tasks and keep them balanced, and being able to achieve and get all your life sub-goals achieved. So I wanted to mention some of the sub-goals that I've used. Some of mine are wealth, business, home, friends, fitness, work, family, and spirituality. So there's a good way to start if you weren't sure of which ones, but by all means use your own words, and we've all got different catalogues of what we want. So you've got to set your own world. You're the master of your own canvases out there. You want to set your world exactly how you are. Don't let anybody influence your goals, and set them on your own. I want to take the opportunity to wish you a Merry Christmas, and of course a Happy New Year. I want to say thank you to all our clients who are referring us new clients. That's been a great part of our success this year, so thank you so much, and we hope you continue to do so through 2017. So we're closing our offices. Our last day is on the 23rd, the Friday before Christmas, and we're back on the 11th. So our website will still be working. If you want to contact us at taxaccountingadelaide.com, or yes, by all means contact me still. I am not going away, so I should be able to get to your calls if you need my help. Or if you need to book in, of course you can book in your tax return on our website as well. So have a fantastic break. Hope some of you are getting away. I hope you've had a great 2016, and I hope you do take listening to some of my ideas on how to plan a fantastic implementation process to get you in a very effective and outstanding 2017, and let me know how that goes. Thank you.